Fitness at home has become a lifestyle, and treadmills are one of the most important investments for building a personal gym. The THERUN treadmill promises 3 horsepower, a 12-level automatic incline, and advanced shock absorption, all packed into a compact, foldable design. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's start with the unboxing. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Inside the package we get the THERUN treadmill, main unit, foldable, with most parts pre-assembled, power cord, to connect directly to your outlet, user manual, with assembly steps and workout guidance, assembly toolkit, screws, tools, and parts for final tightening. Straight out of the box, the treadmill looks sleek in orange and black, with a sturdy steel frame and a modern LED console. Design and build quality. Dimensions: 44.5 inches by 43.5 inches by 27 inches, compact enough for home use. Weight: 110 pounds, sturdy but still movable with built-in wheels. Material: alloy steel for durability. Foldable. Space-saving design, easy to store vertically. Running area: 43.3 inches by 16.5 inches belt, wide enough for safe, comfortable runs. It's designed to support up to 300 pounds, which is impressive for a foldable treadmill. Powerful performance: 3.0 horsepower motor, ensures smooth operation up to 9 miles per hour. Low noise motor, suitable for apartments or shared living spaces. 12-level auto. Incline, 0% to 12%. Road mode, 1 to 4%. Simulates flat running. Hill climb, 5 to 8%. Perfect for building stamina. Mountain climb, 9 to 12%. Pushes endurance to the max. This automatic incline system is a game changer for calorie burn and intensity. Shock absorption system: 2+4, intelligent shock absorbers plus double-deck design. Reduces impact on knees and joints, great for long-term use. Includes super composite silicone layer for extra cushioning. Smart LED console. 18-inch large LED screen displays. Speed, time, distance, calories, incline levels, shortcut keys for quick speed, and incline adjustments. User safety clip for emergencies, storage and portability, automatic belt, lowering system, hydraulic lever lowers smoothly, foldable with transport wheels, easy to move and store. Performance test: at walking speeds, 0.5 to 3 miles per hour. Smooth, stable, and quiet. At jogging/running speeds, 5 to 9 miles per hour. Motor handles without vibrations. Incline transition is quick and smooth, adding real outdoor simulation. The THERUN Auto Incline Treadmill strikes an excellent balance between performance, safety, and compact design. With its 3 horsepower motor, 12 incline levels, and shock absorption system, it's ideal for home fitness enthusiasts who want a treadmill that feels professional but fits in limited space. If you're looking for a durable treadmill for walking, jogging, and running workouts at home, this is one of the best choices in its price range. So, if you're serious about home fitness and want a treadmill that adapts to your progress, the THERUN Auto Incline Treadmill might just be the perfect companion. What do you think? Does this treadmill fit your workout goals? Let us know in the comments. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.